Regine, can you talk a little bit more about yung musical variety show na medyo comedy? I mean, of course, pag kantahan, we see at your most glamorous, di ba? But how will the comedy play into it?
Yun yung interesting. Kasi dun mo makikita yung anong tawag dyan, yung ibang Regine naman na comedian. Apparently, komedyante na ako. So, I think may mga gags, may mga skits. So, dun mo naman makikita yung side ko na nakakatawa. So, kasi yung mga ginagawa ko naman na show, mostly they're musicals. Like yung Party Pilipinas, yung ganun ba, yung every Sunday. Variety show lang talaga yun, musical lang talaga. Nagkakataon na nakakatawa pag may speed. Ito talagang sasadyain na merong comedy. So it's different from what I usually. It's a once a week thing.
And it's going to be slotted on your particular day?
I don't know if I'm...
Prime time po?
Wala pa.
Okay. But it's not going to replace Sunday?
No.